Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this quick video, I will be guiding you on how to add external link to your Instagram bio. If you are looking to direct your followers to a website or another platform, we will show you how to do it easily. So the first step is to open your Instagram app in your mobile. Then tap on your profile picture on the bottom of your screen. Then select Edit Profile to make changes on your bio. Here, tap on Add Links. After that, select Add External Link. In the URL of the external link you want to add, make sure you include the full web address, including HTTP or HTTP. And that's it. You have successfully added an external link to your Instagram bio. Now your followers can easily access the external content you want to share. I hope you find this video useful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.